Hello YouTube. Well, this is the ultimate beta coming at you, showing you how to remove the vent of a 2010 to all the way to 2014, I think, the BK1, BK2 driver's side vent. Also the passenger is the same except without the screw right here. So let me explain you real quick. So you can take this out if you want. It's optional. It makes it easier to take out. So first you take out the fuse lid, then the fuse cover, and after you take that off, you're gonna take this let me show you real quick, this Phillips screwdriver right here, a Phillips screw, pop it and then press on it. Mine's broken, that's the reason I'm replacing it, but I'm gonna pop it right here. Well, that was bad. Well, you basically get the thing, you take it off, and then you grab the new one, which thankfully I got in mint condition from a 2013 Genesis. 3.8, 2.0 is no difference. It really makes no difference from what I heard. But all in all, is put it on, right, and make sure you line everything up. See that right there? Perfect. Look at that. Oh my god, so much better. And I actually can move this now, up and down and left and right. Genesis are known to break this off very easily. I didn't know this until I own a Genesis, and I found out a bunch of forums that, oh yeah, this just broke today. I'm like, oh god. So these are like very common. They said that the BK2 came with more sturdier ones. I don't know if that's true, but hey, if it's true or not, I mean, I'm just happy that I found another Genesis powering out. Thankfully, it was just it was a Genesis from a one that wasn't a crash, so that's good. And well, guys, I'm gonna start tying this up, put this thing back, put the lid back, and that's a done deal. When it comes to that side, it's the same procedure. The difference is there's no like, you know, fuse lid. You have to take this fuse like the panel that goes in that side, and then that's about it. Same thing for that one. So, and for these, you gotta pop them out from top to bottom, and then you have to like take them out by pushing them towards the right or left side of the vent, so it comes out, because the clips are have room for coming out like this, then coming out like that. Same thing go for this one, but the opposite direction, coming out like this. I learned this by taking this one out, which I replaced. So, and soon after I'm done, I gotta vacuum all that. So sadly, I finally got this car. Alright guys, we'll hopefully see you in the next video.